Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome everybody, guys. Let's take a look at the Forex market. So you can see the effect of yesterday. Christine Lagarde's speech was temporal. So in euro currency initially it was a significant rally, but it was over really fast and market has played back all the action that has happened. On the cable you could see it was minor effect. European Central Bank meeting, and actually Great British Pound just confirms our worries about this currency, because it's trying by its own factors, in particular speaking the problems with the Brexit negotiations and that pricing on the market, and confirms the idea that the previous rally was based mostly on some external factors, not in relation to pound sterling, but mostly to its rivals, to the United States dollar and euro. So by the reaction that we see here, you can see it was very small. Although we were waiting for a bit deeper retracement, but it was very small. Market right now is collapsing lower. So it means that the only level that we intend to consider in the nearest time, I mean in the beginning of the next week probably, that will be 26.90-27. It's natural support area that was previously daily oversold as well, but now it is not anymore. Conference support, and that's at least the area where potentially the market could show the bounce. Well, currently the most probable bounce area could be somewhere 30.50 maybe. It's right here because of the, or even slightly bit lower, 29.6, 29.70. So as you can see, market could retest this resistance. Just minor pullback here. But in general, we're waiting for a reaching of 120, 121 area. It's right here, potentially. So it's a long journey ahead, and as market will come closer to the dead point of the Brexit negotiation, which means that by closer to the end of the year, the pressure on the cable will rise. And well, it's a bit more, and we could speak about the bread and butter or some pattern based on the thrust even on the daily chart. On the intraday charts, guys, on the follow time frame chart, it's not much to say. Actually, as you can see here with this reaction on the minor XOP, if you remember, this was market wasn't able to reach the 30%. Our suggestion that maybe this will be double repost also has not been confirmed, because market just collapsed low and stands right here. As we can't use anymore the A, B, C, D pattern, as XOP targets already is done, we're turning to some additional tools. For example, we could measure the extension of the small stressing leg up, and you can see that 1618 level stands at 26.74 approximately. That agrees with the daily support slightly, just 15 pips difference with this. So it means that, well, this will be additional level providing support to the daily confidence. That's what we could keep in mind. So currently, if you somehow have taken the short position, that's great. Well, you could probably keep it with this downward direction if you would like. Just don't forget that today's Friday, and you will have to keep it for the weekend. And well, that's the only the issue that you need to think about. What now? I do not see any good reasons for taking any long positions by far. As we said, the only level that we could consider in the nearest future is this conference support, where theoretically at least some position could be considered, because retracement here could happen, and if you intend to buy pound sterling, you could keep an eye on this level. So that's all that we could say currently on the cable. On the euro currency, well, we also do not see something really outstanding. The fact that market is turning back really fast, well, makes us think that maybe still downward action still also could continue, because you can see by the reaction, so sharp reversal down, and it seems that market could drop a bit more, or at least currently, well, on the euro currency, we do not see anything interesting. So no interesting patterns, nothing special that, well, could tell you that's great stuff for trading today. It seems that the cable even looks better than the euro currency. So let's see what the price action will happen today, and in weekend we will take a look what's better to consider, either the pound sterling or euro currency. By the way, here you can see this could be minor bearish grabber, could be foreign market, could continue lower. As you can see, this MACD is flirting with each other, and just be aware of that if you're watching on the euro. But as I said, in general, it's nothing really interesting. So that's our trading plan for pound sterling, and at least a couple of trades we could get. The first is a scalp buy opportunity right here, and second, major one, is when the retracement will be over. This will be probably a possibility to take the short position for a more extended downward action.